Hope all of you will have a nice weekend. What you are now watching is the Colorado channel here in the live broadcast. This is Tina. Welcome all of you to our YouTube channel. Okay, what you are seeing now here, this is the fourth generation of our printer, the 2 rollers. Let's see how it works, okay? So today we're going to print with the actual print here with these 2 rollers and let you feel about it, how the printer is and how it works. So let's see. And before you print, you need a piece of paper. You need this paper, and with the adhesive tape here, the double-sided tape, and stick to the paper at the edge of one side, just one side of the edge. And once you start the printer, it will just switch automatically to try it work. And here, what you see, it is metal roller. And we need to do, the first step is wrap the paper. So paper needs to be wrapped here to the roller, and it needs to be tight. It needs to be tight. Cannot be loose, cannot. Otherwise, during printing, and it will switch and it will move. So it has to stay tight. Strong, 要壮。那边高。So you can see here, this actually the center drive model, it could be movable. So this center drive, this center model drive, actually it moves. It could be moved forward, it could be moved backwards. Yeah, and with this little wheel, you can just raise it up and also can let it down. So reduce the height, you could just by using this one, the little wheel, to adjust the height of this roller. So once you have a small size, small diameter of the roller, like here, what I'm grabbing here, this roller, this is very small one. You see the diameter, it is small. This is like 60. So for the newborn baby, for baby size of the sock. So once you set it up with this diameter of the roller, and then you could just raise up the roller's position. So raise up the height by using that little wheel. Well, currently we are using, this one is the, for normal adult size of sock, so 82 millimeters. And after it is set it up with the correct position, then you need to adjust the height. So you're seeing here, on top of this roller, we have the coins to test the proper height with the print head. It will go smoothly and from one side to the other, ensure it will be with the flat position. So horizontal wise, it needs to be flat. Okay, let's now wrap two of these rollers together. And we will start print. Okay, so at the first thing, once you start with the daily job, you need to wrap this paper for the roller. And the second step is like what we're doing now, to print the head status, to check out after one night's sleep of the printer if it's still working well, if the printer is waking up, if the head is in good condition for us start printing. Okay, after doing this, let's check it out here. So you see the magenta color is okay, the yellow is okay, the orange is okay. Well, the black, you see, it is broken line, not the continuous line like this. So it means the head of this one, some of the nozzles clogged. So some of the clogged of the nozzle, and we have to wash it to clean it. And here, the tin color, it is good. Okay, so only black one, and that's clean it. And now it's self-cleaning. Self-cleaning is undergoing. So after cleaning is finished, let's see how it is. Okay. So these are the steps you have to prepare per day once you start off the daily work. So first, get the preparation of the paper to wrap it to the roller, and then secondly, check out the head status if it is good or not. If it is under good condition, then you start your printing job, it will be perfect. If it is not and you didn't check it out, then you print and then you might have the quality image issue. Yeah, after printing you might find, oh, some color is not so nice. And now it is doing the second time checking. So after cleaning, let's see if the clogged nozzles has been cleaned. It seems worked. Yeah, let's check it out together. And king color, okay, and now it is better, you see? With the connected line already. Okay, that'll be fine. And we just load up the sock and we try design. 有点高吗? Okay. So what we're now doing is adjust the height of the head height to the roller's height, because it is not allowed to be so high of the head position. So once it has the highest distance from the head surface to the rollers, and it will get the ink during spray, it flies. So we have to be sure the height will be in proper height. Okay, here you see, this is yesterday what we tested. Do you have the dinner yet? No, right? Maybe you can consider, yeah, if this hot dog and hamburger and fried chips or pizzas are delicious, it seems yummy, right? It seems yummy. Yeah, so cute, so cute. And also, you can print any design with any innovations, actually. So if you just find out some funny moment, you just shoot it with the picture, and then use that picture and print on it. And sometimes with my smile, and then you just take the moment and then put me on the sock. It's also okay, and it will be rememberable. Okay, here we load up the sock. Let's see. Yeah, here. Grab this one. 你的图有哪些我可以用？昨天的那些可以用。Yeah, so, okay. Now here, actually I have two kinds of the sock. So one is this one. It's ready knitted sock with the heel part and the toe part already sewn, and it's black. So this one is also okay. But here I'm using the sock. You can see it is the open toe. So I need the afterwards of the printing and then to cut and sew this toe part. So you will have the Oliver printed design from the toe part. While this one only can get the design start from the toe edge, not from the beginning of the toe. So that is the difference. But whatever the difference is, we are now just showing how this printer works and how it's running, okay? Yeah, once you load up the sock, you have to be sure this center back of the heel needs to be always at the center of this line. So it means at the top side of this roller. And also once you set up the sock, you need to be sure the knitting gouge will be straight. Yeah. Okay. 就这些就可以打嘛，对不对？这些都可以呀。Okay. Okay, so here what you are seeing is our software. So with this software, we choose the one design, okay, and then we print. Just easy and simple. Just one click, print. And now print starts. This is it. 哎呦。的位置不对吗？自动打印。Yeah, once this print is over, I've already loaded up the new one, so it will go automatically. Yeah, so now you can see the color is light. It is not so obviously, but after heating up, it will be vibrant. So this is the character of the polyester. So polyester needs the high temperature to pump out the color. 对，都是棉的。Okay. So one of the paper needs to be replaced. And let's do that. So during the printing break, actually you need to replace this paper. So to keep it neat and clean and ensure the inside of the sock will not be stained with the ink mark. So you need to change it frequently. And with the light color of the print artwork, you could change it. You could change it like 7, 8 pairs. And if with the just all over printed with the darker color, and then you might need to change it after 3 pairs or 4 pairs. Yeah. And after that, you could load up the sock. So once you load up the sock, keep this heel part always at the top for an easy distinguish later. It will be easy recognized if it is set up with the proper position. So here, you can see this laser assists me to find out the center middle of the line. So I need to adjust a little bit. Yeah, here will be fine. And after the position is correct, and then needs to recheck if the knitting gouge is straight from the toe part to the end. So let's twist a little bit. Yeah. So you know, the socks is a kind of the knitting one, and it is easy to stretch. So the stretchability is very good. So during you load up the sock, and with different strengths, you might have somewhere it's overstretched and somewhere it's not, or somewhere it goes straight and somewhere it's just slanting. So you have to recheck it and ensure it is straight. Otherwise, later after printing, then your image will be get slanting. Okay, and now we are ready. So go for the hamburger. Start. So normally it takes around like 20 seconds or 24 seconds per piece. Yeah, now one piece of the sock is finished. So this is the continuous printing mode. Now the hamburger is here. So you see that before it goes to the oven for pump out, you see how the color it is. You see, this is before heating. The color is still not coming out yet. And this is the color after pumping out. So after high temperature. So you see the difference. Yeah, another piece. So once you have all these printed socks after printing, and then you just hang it there and waiting for the oven temperature reach to the 180 degrees. And after that, you can just one by one bake it, and it will improve your efficiency for the production. Okay, here we go. Load up. So actually start with this kind of the digital seamless digital printing socks Korea. what you need to do is just simple and load up, sock, and print. And then it will go print. Yeah, once I set it here with the proper position, you see the laser could assist me with the position. So I could adjust it. Yeah. So now it is in the proper position. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So heel part, center of the back of the heel, it is on top. And the gouge is straight. Okay, that is proper set it. And that one. So just this button, a single button with easy, quick click. Yeah, I can get my rollers back. Okay, continuously working. So no break, no stop during the printing. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, gouge straight or not? Yes, it is. Okay. Yeah, here we go. Another design. Let's check out. So with the first image, quite new image, before we start printing, it needs a couple of seconds to calculate. And now it starts. Have you counted how long it takes for one piece of the single sock? For this one is 26, if I'm not wrong. Okay, after printing, get it out. Okay, I could see it is the gradient color. So from the light blue till maybe cream or light pink till maybe it is pink. So let's find out how the color it is. After baking, only after baking we could know about it. So we need to wait for the oven. So the oven temperature is increasing. So let's see. Yeah, and here comes out the after baking, the final outlook. You can see the difference, right? The avocado is so cute, and you see it is gradient color, right? Yeah, from the blue, light blue to a little bit yellowish, and then the light pink and pink. But before heating up, it is just like this color. It is so pale and light, right? But after that, you see, I grab this one. It is same design. Yeah, it is same design as this one. You see that socks shrunk, right? After heating up, it shrunk. So this is the final color it is. And this is before heating. So color didn't pump out, and this color is pump out. How bright, how vibrant color is. Okay. So what you're now seeing is, Tina, I'm showing you that how this printer works. Yeah, what you are watching is Joan Colorido, Ningbo Haishu Colorido Digital Technology Company. And here you are watching the YouTube channel. Welcome all of you to subscribe us and watching our live. Thank you all of you. This is Tina, and I'm showing you how this 2 rollers printer works with the continuous working way. And during printing, these 2 rollers switch each other. Yeah, and this is the center motor drive. It drives these rollers to switch, and it could be movable. So it is adjustable with the backwards and forward, and also you can, by using this device, the little wheel, yeah, you can raise up the roller's height, and also you can lower it down. And also, with the center motor drive backwards, you have more space here for this roller. So with this type of the model of printer, this roller length could be adjustable with longer lengths. So here, what you are seeing, we are using, it is 70 centimeters long, and it could be reached to 100 centimeters max. Yeah, so with very long one, with like the ladies docking, it is also possible to print by using this longer length of the roller. Beside of the roller's diameter, it's also possible to get the alternative option for the dimension of the roller. Like this one is 82 millimeters. So you could see here, this dimension is the 82 millimeters. It is 82 millimeter, and it could be adjustable with a smaller one. So it could be 73 or it is 60. Like here, what I'm grabbing here, this is the 60. So you can see here, it is smaller diameter, right? It is small diameter. So by using this diameter of the roller, you could print the smaller sock, like the toddler sock or the newborn baby sock. It is possible. So by using this 60 millimeter of the diameter of this roller. Okay. So these are the features for this 2 rollers machine. So CO60 100 Pro. Yeah. So printing actually it's easy. Printing is actually easy. Just if you wanted to get the nice color and more sharp lines, and also the image quality needs to be high precision, then come back to us and we will give you the full service with the printing solution. Yeah. So with your different requirements, and then we could work out the exact detailed working the printing solution for you. And also tell us what the applications you'd like to print on, and we will introduce you the suitable model of the printer. Hi, Carly. Hi, nice meeting you. Hey, how are you today? Everything good? So exciting. Tomorrow it will be Friday, and hope you will have a nice weekend, okay? So where are you from? Where you from? You're from the America? How's the weather today? And today here in Ningbo is a little bit cold. But yesterday it's crazy. It is crazy hot. It's like suddenly we are in summer. It is more than 34 degrees. But today it just dropped the temperature. Okay. Midland. Okay. Anyway, welcome you to watch our live. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm doing actually here is loading up the sock and to give you the a show to see how this printer works. Yeah, and by very simple operation, and I got the you see here are all these designs. I could choose which one you like. You can tell me. And let's try it out. Which one you like? Any design you like here, we could just choose. Here. Okay, I chose some designs. So, okay, let's print. I choose the zebra. Okay, let's see how it works. So around 26 seconds per piece. So these are the polyester. 好像拉条了嘛，是吧？ Yeah. So you could see here, actually the color of the ground color needs to be pure. So it will just solid color. But now it seems has stripes, right? So we need to check out the head status. If something went wrong with it, yeah, now this one also, it seems like stripes. So we're trying to哎，那个我要打印测试条，然后那个位置是看 Y 边还是 X 边 ？X 边我不动哦。Okay, let's check out the head status first. So if some of the nozzles clogged, No, kid could not see. And then we need to change the paper to see clearly how this head stitches is. Okay, so we replace a new paper. Okay. Yeah, switch to the checking position. And here we go. Check it again. So during printing, actually, if the temperature is a little bit low, cold, or it is sometimes it happens that the nozzles will be easy to clogged. So let's see if the head stitches is okay. 还是这里呢？ Still the black color a little bit. Okay, let's check out this one. So once you found the head stitches is not good enough, then you do a little bit cleaning, soft cleaning, and then it will be okay. This 这个是个那个图，这是那个图。这个是小滚子的那个。对，没有那么的明显。Okay, so this, what you saw, is how it prints, how our printer works. Okay, so what I'm standing here is the printing, is the production printing work mill. So for the old customer, you already know us very well. You know who we are and what we do, right? And here I'd like to introduce a little bit for the new audience. So who might just come into our life and you might have doubts, hey, what are you doing? What's this? Hey, what are these? Okay, so I'd like to introduce a little bit for us. We are Ningbo Haishu, Colorado digital technology company. And what you are seeing that all these kind of the printers are what we designed. So we have been focused on the researching and the manufacturing the seamless digital printer for over 10 years. And our printer are designed for all these kind of knitted tubular items, like what you are seeing just now, the sock, the knitting tubular items, including the sock and sleeve covers, and also the barf scarf. So like the barf scarf, and once you go outside for the outdoor sports, you need the barf scarves. You always need it, like the cycling, you use the barf scarves. Okay, and also in these years, it just coming out in the market with the seamless yoga leggings, bras, tops. So all these kind of seamless digital printing items is for the knitting item, knitting tubular. So all these kind of tubular are fit for our printers. And in the last 10 years, we have been researching and developing the upgraded printers. What you are seeing backwards, backside of me, this is the old one, this is the old model. So it is the just second generation of the printer by using this very long roller. And this roller needs to be set up to the machine. So when you're using this, you need to press this button to let this device set it up with the rollers. And once you set it up, then you adjust the socks which you load up before. And after printing, you need to press this button to release this long roller. So this is the second model. This is the second generation of our printer. So with a little bit, seems like lots of workload, right? And also, if the operator like me, I have a small hand. So for me, it's a little bit difficult to grab this carbon roller and to pull out, to set up, to load up the sock. So for me, a little bit difficult. Yeah. So with this second generation of the printer, it is with already improved for the printing technology. It is from the first generation of the flat scanning printing mode, changed already to the spiral printing mode. So since the second generation of the printer, we already started with the spiral printing mode. Okay, and then we just developed the third generation of the printer. Like you see, the 4 rollers. And with 4 rollers of the printer, it improved the production efficiency a lot. And it is continuously working non-stop during printing. And the operator has to be very fast to catch up the speed of the printer. And without the load up roller anymore, because the roller now is fixed to the machine, and the operator's workload released a lot. And she or he only needs to standing the operation position to load up the sock, offload it, let it. So it will be much easier. So you see, during printing, she needs to catch up the speed and reload the stock. And this is the third generation of the printer. Then we have the coming one, the two rollers. That is the fourth generation. So you are seeing we're printing for the ladies' stocking.你用吧。This is for the production. So you are seeing that is for the production, the actual production. So how it works, it needs to, for this one, it's a little bit complicated. So we have to wrap the paper one piece. So you see, loading up. So for balance, which are no need to print, we need to get it inside. 这里要贴吗？它这个是左右脚分好了的，就所有的左脚。打左脚，还有右脚的。右脚也要打。有，在那里还没画。就是有些要打左脚，有些要打右脚。Now you see. So with one piece, actually, one piece of the printing job, we need the. 挂起来不会的。因为它用的是夹子 ，use the click。它夹子夹着的呀。So with this complicated item, we need just one piece for one piece of paper and hang it together with the paper. And for later, for the further steps. So this is actually the nylon material. Okay, so what you are seeing just now is the nylon material for printing. And this printing is just the middle steps. And the whole process actually a little bit long. So before printing, this nylon and cotton needs to be soaked. these items needs to be soaked. And after that, we just go for printing. And after printing, these items needs to be sent here, back side of my hand. Here is the steamer, and there is the heater. So come and see. So this is the oven. Yeah, and this oven for the socks for the cotton and nylon. After printing, it just sent to here inside. And for drying, it's for drying. So this is a big volume. It's a big volume. And one time drying, it could involve with 40 pieces, or 40 pairs, sorry, 80 pieces, but 40 pairs. And after the heating, then this needs to be sent to the steamer. Here, this is the steamer. You see? Wow. So let's play hide and seek. It's a good place. Joking. Okay, so with this same volume here, the socks which are dried already will be sent here for steaming. And the steaming time need based on the socks thickness. So it will be like 20, 24, 23 minutes. Yeah. Okay, so after steaming, it needs to go back to the oven again to dry it. So all these kind of the steps are finished. Then you will get these socks ready here for washing. So these socks now is after printing, after heating, after steaming, after printing, after heating again. So it's totally dried. And the color, you see, it's already pumped out. It's so bright, so vibrant, right? Okay, so now these socks are here waiting for the washing process. So washing, finishing will be the last step for the cotton material, for nylon material. So all these one needs to be sent to the washing mill for finishing. And during that washing finishing, you will get the fixation for the color fastness. And you will get a little bit softener to soft the hand feel. Yeah, to ensure the hand feel you get later after whole process will be soft enough. And this is the second generation which I introduced before. So now it is under printing with the polyester one. So from all these materials, the polyester is the much easiest one. So after printing, it only needs this small oven. So only this small oven. Yeah, here. Yeah, we need to set it up here with the conveyor. And with the hook here, you see, one by one. And we hang the printed socks here. It will drive these socks automatically into the oven body and bakes inside. And once it comes out, the whole process will be finished. So here in the oven body, the sock will stay around 3 to 4 minutes. It depends how thick of the sock is. And also, once you are using this oven, the tips for you is that this exhausted fan, you have to set it up to get rid of this this fan with the pipe, the fan with the pipe to get rid of these fumes. Or you can also set up like that exhaustive fan to the window. It is also workable. So you can set it up too. Yeah. Okay, so these equipment are the related equipment needs to be used together with the printer. So it depends what kind of the material you have. Yeah. For polyester, what you only need is printer and the small oven. And if you're using the cotton one or nylon one or wool material, then printing is just one step. It just stands in the middle. And before that, you have pre-treatment. And after that of printing, you have the finishing process. And finishing process, it's also several steps, like the heating and steaming and heating and washing. Yeah. So printer is the only one stand in the middle. And you need multiple relevant equipment. And what you're seeing here, you can see that we are using the adhesive double-side tape to tape the paper one by one for preparation for the job of the printing. So every day, once we get to work and before we start, we need to be sure that we have enough papers to be already taped and ready for later the production using for the whole day. Yeah, so that is the kind of the general status about us, about here what you are watching, the Ningbo Haishu Colorado Digital Technology Company. And what you are watching now is our YouTube channel and our live. Our live will be held twice a week. And today is the Thursday of West American time, afternoon, around 4 to 5 p.m. And the next time we will be next week on Tuesday of American time. Yeah. Okay. So we are now just back from the 19th, the CHPE Expo held in Shanghai. So for the hosiery, the International Hosiery Purchase Expo. And we are so busy. Actually, we have the visitors, we have the customers visiting here. So next Tuesday, we are not allowed to have the live. And so next time we will see you on next week of Thursday directly, okay? So don't miss Tina, and Tina will be back for sure. What you are watching now is YouTube channel, Colorado. So subscribe us, follow us, and watch our live. Yeah. Okay, so much for today, and hope can see you next Thursday. Bye for now.